The cat is under the table. She walked towards the park. He drove past the old library. The book is on the shelf. They sat beside each other at the cinema. She flew over the mountains. He waited for her outside the restaurant. The painting is above the fireplace. She walked through the forest. The dog ran after the ball. He whispered to her during the movie. The cafe is between the bookstore and the bakery. He was hiding behind the curtain. She looked around the room. The bird flew into the window. He jumped into the pool. She placed the vase beside the photograph. The children ran around the playground. They walked along the river. He put the keys on top of the dresser. She leaned against the wall. The flowers are in front of the house. He shouted across the room. She lives near the university. The cat jumped onto the bed. He fell off the ladder. The picture hangs above the bed. She parked next to a blue car. The bus stopped in front of the school. He looked under the bed for his shoes. They traveled across the country. The museum is across from the park. She wrote with a pen on the paper. He spoke to the manager about the issue. The dog is beside the sofa. She swam towards the shore. The airplane flew above the clouds. He placed the book beside the lamp. The sun sets behind the mountains. The gift is for you. They arrived at the airport early. He stood in front of the painting. She put the cheese on top of the pizza. The hotel is near the beach. They walked through the crowded street. He looked into her eyes. She placed the flowers in the vase. The bird perched on the branch. He drove under the bridge. They met at the corner of the street.